Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new process video for you in my Traveler's Notebook. For this spread, I will be using a digital kit called Sunshine and Rainbows by Mari Koegenlenberd, and I will leave her name down below so you can look that up if you're interested. So I have just printed out on the left side of my page here, I have a paper that I've printed out and I've just stuck it into my notebook. And on the right side, included in the kit was this nice journal list here. So I've printed that out and stuck it down. And now I am working on this pocket that was included in the kit. So I've put some tape down on the little flaps that I folded. And I'm just going to stick it here. And then I will create a tag there to stick in the pocket with my photo. And here I'm just cutting out some of the labels that were included with the kit. So this is a really fun, bright kit, and I do always like these finished pages that are mostly finished on the right side where I don't have to think of a title or think of anything. And these ones that encourage me to put in a little journaling are extra nice because that's not something I would usually think to do. So I've pulled out this black paper from my scrap stash and I'm just trimming it down into a tag shape. And now I'm just trimming some of the borders off my photo so that I can stick it on the tag. And then I will just do a little embellishing and this spread will be finished. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.